tests done, they were all BSF personnel or their family members from 86 Battalion. Consequent upon that result, another BOP of 86, first BOP of 86 Battalion, that is Jenarai Pada in Gandachara, has also been declared as containment zone because one Jawan of that 86 Battalion has stayed there for about 15 days or so. So that area is primarily a jungle area, not much civilian population. So change in population affected is just 43 persons civilian, and in that BOP there is no civilian. They were all 43 BSF personnel in that area, so their samples have also been taken. Now, today 450 samples are getting tested. With today's test, I think all BSF personnel and their families of Ambassa headquarters, their testing would be complete.
Which battalion? 86 or
86 and 138 both. Now, this is in other parts the COVID fight things are going on as usual. Surveillance is going on and samples coming, and we are working on that. On non-medical part of it, today 99 persons have left Agartala for going to Kota by the bus which had carried our students, and a train from Bangalore with about 1200 persons is about to start or may have started by now. It is likely to reach by Tuesday morning, 13th morning, Wednesday early morning or Tuesday night as per the time taken by them. And another train will start from Chennai on Tuesday. For, as you may be aware, the train which is coming from Bengaluru, they have charged us 12.78 lakh, which has been paid by government of Tripura from CM Relief Fund. The patients as per today, our test per million rate, which is a parameter on which number of tests is being done, is 2272, which is 5th or 6th in the country highest. Earlier I had mentioned that apart from declaring Bhagat Singh as COVID hospital, we have requested district magistrates for declaring COVID care center within each district. Yesterday we discussed with all district magistrates and advised them to do so. I think within few days they will do it. DM Gomti has already declared the training hostel building, which is adjacent to the district hospital, as the dedicated care center. Other district magistrates are in the process. Within few days they will also declare, and then we will let you know. That a new discharge policy has been issued by Government of India, under which those patients who are asymptomatic or only mild symptoms, we can release them after keeping them in our care for 10 days with a strict instruction that they should maintain the home quarantine for another 7 days before they should come out. Now, with that parameter in mind, the first batch of patients from BSF which had come, or first batch of patients in Tripura which is with us, will be eligible for release by tomorrow evening or day after tomorrow. So we have already requested BSF to plan for their home quarantine, and we hope that from Tuesday onwards the existing COVID positive persons will begin to be released. Okay.
both of them first person?
For प्रथम दिन दुटा आइसिलु दुइजन तारपरे नेक्स्ट डे द होल नंबर द वे दे केम द सीक्वेंस आफ्टर इनिशियल टेस्ट दे विल बी रिलीज्ड. So that is all from me. Thank you. Anything from your side?
সরকার তো বলেছিলেন ত্রিপুরাতে আপনার ট্যাঙ্কে যেটা আপনি রিলিজ করার কথা বলছেন মিনিস্টারটা আপনি বলেছিল ত্রিপুরাতে সবাইকে টেস্ট করে রিলিজ করা হবে.
Guideline says there is no need for test because they are asymptomatic. There is nothing, no risk as such. But that call we have to take. We will sit tomorrow morning and then we'll finalize whether we take a call, another test for them or do it. In fact, first 2 persons we had another round of test where the viral load has come down, but they are still positive. But that call we will take. We will test, but they will be staying with the BSF quarantine system. So any symptom developing, we will test.
Sir, 12
Patients, there are 1200 persons.
patients.
Everybody is not patient.
Okay.
So we are working on that. We will have a procedure. As yesterday Honorable Minister mentioned, 11 quarantine facility has already been identified in Agartala. So the procedure to be followed immediately on arrival and post arrival when they reach the quarantine facility, that we will be finalizing, I think by tomorrow.
They will reach Agartala railway station, Badaghat or whether any.
We are working on that, whether to bring to Badarghat station or to Jirania or to some intermediate place, that will do. But they will come to the.
Sir, you have visited Churaibari today. You are not now. So if you could say something, what was the situation there?
Churaibari, it was going on. The protocol was being followed. First, there was a procedure of registering each person and then sending them to for the test wherever they were required, and then either releasing them or putting them in quarantine. So I saw that our team had gone. We discussed how to improve the procedure even further, and also the process of handling the samples. So both issues were discussed. In addition, I saw the quarantine facility there, both at Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya at near Churaibari and also the sports complex at Panisari. Right now we are using only those 2 facilities, plus 3 hotels have also been identified and finalized, so that anybody who is not satisfied with that, he can avail the hotel facility. The rent which was discussed, was told that one hotel had 500 per day, another had 800 per day, and another had 1000 per day, including the meal. So those arrangements we saw, and I think that's it.
এখন জিবি এবং ভগৎ সিং
जीवित এখন 87% আছে, আর ভগৎ সিং এর 44 জন, আর বিএসএফ এর 44,
আর বিএসএফ সরকার
একজন চাইলে।
Sir, how many people entered today in Tripura?
360 persons have come through Churaibari, and out of them 173 were truck driver, 15 patients and 172 are stranded persons.
জিবি পেশেন্টদের ভগৎ সিং এর শিফট করার কথা ছিল।
That we are discussing still, because now the release protocol is in place, and within few days then everybody would be released. We are just talking to our doctors, should we make another shift and then do it, or they start releasing.
So is there any update on the inquiry report of the state government asked the BSF officials to find out the source of the virus?
We had that initially we are doing what we are from our side. We are doing, BSF is doing the contact tracing backward forward both sides to work out where it comes. We have already, as I had told earlier, we have requested NCDC to do that. Health Ministry has very kindly agreed to send that team and help us in tracing out the whole thing. So we are eagerly awaiting when do they come. So we do.
तो ये एनसीडीसी का टीम कब तक आता है?
उन्होंने डेट अभी नहीं दिया है, बट मिनिस्ट्री ने उनको रिक्वेस्ट किया है. इनफैक्ट ऑनरेबल हेल्थ मिनिस्टर की मीटिंग में उन्होंने ही कहा था, सेक्रेटरी ने भी कहा था. सो आवर टीम इज इन टच. अभी तो सैटरडे संडे ऑफ है, कल या परसों शायद पता चल जाए कब आएंगे.
How many samples collected today from Salai district?
Lie district. Today there is a less number. Today they have collected 28 samples.
48.
28.
Number of civilian samples, sir?
20.
कल करीमगंज पुलिस सुपर ने बताया था कि जो ट्रक ड्राइवर जो हमारे यहाँ से पॉजिटिव होकर वहाँ गया है उनका सैंपल लिया गया है, तो उनके रिगार्डिंग कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन आया है कि उनके टेस्ट में भी क्या आया है, नेगेटिव या पॉजिटिव?
Look, we don't find it very wise to track what has happened there. We found positive, we have informed them. Now it's their citizen there, so as per protocol they will follow. We follow the same protocol. So why should we poke in and say कि क्या हुआ बता दो? We do our job, they do their own job.
But sir, in case if he has contacted with somebody in Tripura, that has to be found out.
That we have already tried. Actually, what has happened is we have traced. There are not many contacts. This person was carrying LPG from Silchar to Rakhaltali, Kamalpur, and it's about 4 days. So he was the only person driving the vehicle. So he came, unloaded, and went up. So we are in touch with the owner. Those unloading levers we are seeing, but he said not much contact was there. So he parked the vehicle, then sat aside and lever unloaded. So because he left on the same day, we don't find any major.
হেলথ ডিপার্টমেন্টের একটা পার্সোনাল
Purchase?
এনকোয়ারির অর্ডার রয়েছে কিরণ গীতে এবং
কিরণ গীতে। উনি ওটা করছে,
ওটা শেষ হয়নি?
ওটা কেন কিছু কি আছে কিছু? আচ্ছা,
আরেকটা হলো কোভিড রিলেটেড একটা ল অ্যান্ড অর্ডার প্রবলেম হয়েছিল আজকে শহরে, এটার কি আপডেট আছে?
সেই ভগৎ সিং এর কাছে যেটা, তারা তো ব্যাক গেছে, এটা তখন যে আছে এটা নর্মাল হয়ে গেছে। এটা যেটা কাল কিন্তু পরশু যিনি প্রশ্ন জিজ্ঞাসা করছিলেন কি সবাই চায় কি ওর কাছে না, কিন্তু ব্যাপারটা ওটাই হচ্ছে কি কোথাও তো থাকতে হবে। দ্বিতীয় যেরকম বাউন্ডারি আছে, যে ডিস্টেন্স আছে, এটা কারো জানের ভয়ের কোনো ব্যাপার না, কিন্তু যদি ভয় বেশি হয়ে যায় তাহলে কি হবে? তো তার জন্যই তারা চাইছিল কি এখান থেকে সরিয়ে দেয়, আমাদের বাড়ির কাছে কেন থাকবে। তো আমরা বোঝানোর চেষ্টাও করছি কি এটা যেখানে আছে ওখান থেকে নেক্সট বাড়ি অনেক দূরে আছে, কমপক্ষে 10-20 মিটারের বেশি দূর আছে। ভাইরাস যে ট্রাভেল করে ওটা 2 মিটারের বেশি ট্রাভেল করে না, এয়ারে ট্রাভেল করে না, কিন্তু sometimes it happens, so we talk to them and then they have been dispersed.
So, and if the figure of equipments that we have right now, that includes triple layer mask, PPE kits, etc. what is required?
Acha. We have 2,40,000 triple layer masks, 17,200 N95 masks, 9,68,000 hand gloves, 7,992 or almost 8,000 PPE kits, and similarly other items, sanitizers and all. This regarding there is some news item also I just wanted to share with you. PCR kit. PCR kit has 3 parts. Okay. One is VTM, viral transport medium, and second is RT extraction, and third is the PCR kit. Day before yesterday, Yesterday only. Yesterday we received 6,900 VTMs, 5,180 RNA extraction, and 4,000 PCR kit, which would be, this VTM is almost sufficient for 7 days as per our expectation, and others are sufficient for 15 days. Today we have already raised our demand for 10,000 VTMs, and we have also written a letter to ICMR DG requesting to increase the supply of the PCR kits, which government has very kindly agreed to do that. They have told us PCR kit availability would not be a problem. In fact, we have also requested them to, I think I have mentioned earlier, for upgrading our testing facilities so that we can do the more tests.
So also there was an order placed for ventilators, 20 pieces of ventilators. What is the status?
This week we will get our allotment. The consignment is supposed to reach to Indian source by today. In the meeting we had discussed. So Ministry has said that this week they will be doing the allotment. So whatever it comes, we should be getting.
No specific numbers, sir.
They will decide once it arrives, and they will allot to each state, and then we will arrange to pay.
I just want to clear one. So you have said that we release. So far, total how many patients would be released in the first phase?
Phase will run every day. So both 2 patients who had come in the first phase are now asymptomatic. They are well stable. So the first day release can be 2. Second day there were, I think, 14. I'll check the number. All patients who are there, as of now, they are stable. They have no serious. Only 2 persons who came yesterday. 2 persons who came, they are women of a
Female patient.
advanced age, who are having some symptoms. They have been kept in GB. So their cases we have to watch, because they have come yesterday. We have to watch for another 10 days. If situation improves, then we will see. But otherwise, they are all asymptomatic or minus.
Sir, regarding the special,
We have got one is starting. For Chennai, it is supposed to start from Tuesday. That confirmation we have got. Other than that, as of now, nothing is final. But we have a large concentration in Chennai and Bangalore, and then Calcutta comes next. So we are trying to get a second train from Bangalore as soon as possible. So accordingly,